Hi guys. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Mr. Witt, and this is kind of what I look like when I'm here. Right now, can't be here yet. Had some health issues over the summer and some other things I got to get taken care of, but I'll be reaching out to you by video and connecting with you on Schoology and letting you get some things, little detail things taken care of so we can get started. But I look forward to the year. Excited that you guys are here. I've seen your bright, smiling faces in Schoology for the most part, and glad that some of you are back. So, looking forward to a great year. So, right now, I'm going to be leaving you guys some tasks to do. Please do them because a lot of things like getting um, Adobe set up so you can use Photoshop and Premiere Pro and all those things right away, and learning to making sure you know how to do screenshots and things like that will make the class run really smoothly and help you guys out. We'll also spend some time on getting you to use your computers well and setting some things up as far as file management and all that stuff that will keep you from running into big problems that'll drive you crazy, losing your projects, not knowing where your files are. Um, just gaps in your project, missing links, all those things can really make your life difficult. So we'll be working on those. So for now, um, sit tight. Feel free to reach out to me in Schoology, send me a message. You guys have a little online discussion to kind of get to know each other and allow me to get to know you at least on screen. Um, and by the end of the week, I will probably escalate that to you recording a video in QuickTime just to introduce yourself to me, and I'll do the same. I guess I could do that. My name is actually Mr. Whittington, but nobody calls me that. It's a lot easier to just call me Mr. Witt. It's shorter, it's easier, and allows me to save all the time that you would have to spend saying Ington. So add all that up and it adds to probably several seconds over the year. So we'll save all that time. You won't have to remember too many syllables and end up calling me Mr. Whittingham or whatever else you would screw up and call me. So this is what I look like, except sometimes I'll look even cooler when I throw on my reading glasses so I can see my screen. I'll look this cool. So just get used to the basic level of cool because I don't want to overwhelm you with that. Uh, Other questions. I'm old. I actually technically retired last year and I'm back doing a 1 year contract. So I've been doing this teaching gig for, well, this will be year 34. So, uh, yeah, so I've been around a bit. Really enjoy teaching multimedia and teaching you guys how to use these skills well. We will be diving in pretty quickly on setting up newscasts. We have broadcasts right away. There are some changes. Tomorrow, I guess I'm excited to announce it. You guys are going to be excited to hear it. Tomorrow, I will leave you a long video that goes over the syllabus. Yeah. Um, Yeah, you got to do it every year, and it's dull. Mine's online. It's actually a form your parents fill out, so it will be even more fun. No, it's actually more more simple. Um, I don't know, less hassle for you, but the policies are there. I'll go over the policies with you in the video, and then your parents can read them, respond to them. Uh, and some picky things about how I run my classroom. A lot of the work is on your own, so you'll be doing a lot of work independently and showing me what's going on. So I learned to reach out, ask questions, get support, get help, which you are able to do online right now. And as soon as I'm there in person, we'll be able to go. So I wanted to address that. I'm not in the room with you for a little bit because partly because I had some health issues and some other things going on that I have to get taken care of before I'm allowed back in the classroom. Um, I guess I'll go ahead and be detailed about the health issues. It's not a big secret, and that keeps the rumor quality stuff from bouncing around. I had a heart attack at the end of June, so had a heart attack and a double bypass surgery. So I got a cool scar and a little bit of some restrictions. But for a while, I spent a month riding in the back seat. I wasn't allowed to ride in the front seat. That was really fun. But now I feel like I'm I feel like a little kid who got out of his car seat, and now I'm able to drive and everything. So I went through that transformation that some of you freshmen will get to go through this year. Um, but as soon as everything gets taken care of, I'll be back and rolling. So not much will be changed as far as the year goes and how we do things, except my physical presence will be slightly delayed. But I am coming back and I will be there. So, and I'll be available to you online. So look forward to working, and I hope you guys have, I don't know, have fun, learn a lot. Let's have a great year.